Are you looking for the best vacuums for carpet in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best vacuums for carpet that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Bissell 3624 Professional Carpet Cleaner. This spot cleaner from Bissell is designed to remove tough spots of dirt and other stains from carpets as well as rugs, upholstery, and stairs. It is also ideal for cleaning the interior of cars. It works by focusing the cleaning formula on the stain and then sucking everything up, leaving your carpet or other surface perfectly clean. With traditional foam or liquid products, you just spread the stain around, but this vacuum leaves nothing behind. The best thing about this machine is that it exceeds expectations and really does the job. You will be surprised by how effective it is at removing stubborn stains like wine, coffee, dog pee, mud, footsteps, and more. It also includes a 22 feet power cord and a 5 feet hose, allowing you to reach spots and stains in places that would be difficult to reach with less mobile machines. We like the fact that it incorporates a large 3/4 gallon tank for the cleaning product, meaning you won't have to keep topping it up. It also comes with an 8 ounces bottle of professional grade cleaning liquid to help you get started. There's one major downside, however: the hose is not very rugged, and the way it's stored puts pressure on it, meaning it can crack easily. However, if you are careful with it, it should last, and you can help by protecting it with tape, although this might be too DIY for some. Another more minor issue is that it leaves surfaces damp after use, and you may need to leave them to dry for several hours. Overall, an impressive machine that is highly effective at removing stubborn marks and stains from carpet and other materials. It sells at a very reasonable price point, and if you need something to keep carpets clean and stain-free, this is one of the best options available on the market. Up next in the fourth place is the Hoover FH50700 Carpet Vacuum Cleaner. If you are looking for an effective solution for cleaning and vacuuming your carpet at the lower end of the price range, this model from Hoover could be just the thing. It is designed for use in homes with pets and is especially good at cleaning up mess created by your furry friends. For such a small machine, it packs a lot of power. The manufacturer claims it offers twice the suction power of many competitors' vacuums. It is also lightweight and easy to use, and with a 20 feet cord, it can easily reach just about anywhere in your home. The big innovation here is the Power Spin Pet Brush Roll that provides powerful cleaning capability with a brush that spins deep into your carpet. At the same time, it offers antimicrobial protection, ideal for cleaning up unhygienic accidents from your pets. Another feature we appreciate is the heat force dryer that leaves your carpet less damp than some other vacuums, meaning you have less time to wait for it to dry. This vacuum is simple to set up out of the box, and the 0.5 gal dual tank is easy to fill and empty, making for hassle-free use. Having said that, the dirty water tank is a little difficult to clean, and you may find that some debris such as cat litter may become trapped inside. Another negative we want to mention is the noise this vacuum makes. It is among the louder options available, so if quiet operation is important to you, you might choose to look elsewhere. However, in general terms, this is a vacuum that performs well and, at this price point, represents excellent value for money, a recommended budget-friendly option on the market. The third product on our list is the Soniclean Soft Carpet Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This upright vacuum cleaner has been specially developed for cleaning and caring for soft carpets and includes several innovations that make it perfectly suited for this purpose. For this kind of carpet, it is easier to use and will also cause less damage as you use it. It incorporates oversized front wheels that are designed to allow the vacuum to glide over thicker carpet. It also boasts an adjustable vent system, another feature that makes it easier to maneuver on soft carpets. One particularly innovative addition is the patented sonic cleaning technology that delivers 200 sonic vibrations per second as you use it, helping to dislodge even the most encrusted dirt and dust. This ensures your carpet gets a deep and thorough clean every time. The soft nylon brush roll is another useful inclusion and is intended to be gentler on this type of carpet. It picks up any dirt and debris without damaging the carpet itself. Other positive features include the high-quality HEPA filters that help remove almost all allergens from your carpet, the large vacuum bag, and the 35 feet cord for extra mobility. The main downside is the noise this machine makes, since it is quite loud. If you are sensitive to noise, or you don't want to bother your neighbors, you might prefer to look elsewhere. Other than that, the only other issue is the price. Although for a high-quality machine, you have to be ready to pay more. And we still feel this vacuum represents excellent value for money. All in all, if you have a thick carpet and you want to take care of it properly while also reducing the amount of effort it takes to push around a vacuum cleaner, this model is a must-have if you are willing to spend the money. This could be the ideal option on the market. Second on our list is the Dyson DC65 Animal Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson is a company that is known for including plenty of innovative technologies in its products to create devices that give superior performance levels. And this vacuum cleaner is no different. It features a redesigned brush bar, allowing it to use shorter and stiffer bristles that penetrate deeper into your carpet, giving a more thorough clean. The self-adjusting cleaner head also seals suction in, giving it more power to pick up stubborn dirt and dust. Dyson's unique ball technology makes it easier to maneuver than almost any other vacuum, making it an ideal option when you need to navigate furniture and access hard-to-reach corners. On the downside, if you live in a home with pets that shed lots of hair, you might find the Dyson struggles a little. You may have to manually pull hair out manually more than once per session. Also, since Dyson is such a well-known premium brand, you have to pay for the name just as much as you pay for the technology. And some people might find this vacuum overpriced for what it is. However, despite the high price tag, this is undeniably a solid and reliable piece of equipment. Dyson fans will doubtlessly love it. And even if you are not a fan, if you want a high-end, powerful carpet vacuum from the market, it's well worth considering. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bissell 1622 Carpet Vacuum. This is another carpet cleaner from Bissell. This time an upright model, it is designed not just to vacuum your carpets but to give them a deep clean, shampooing them and removing even the most stubborn stains and encrusted dirt and grime. It features a 4-row dual rotating dirt lifter that is designed to brush and scrub your carpet using the special cleaning formula. This dislodges dirt and removes stains. And then the vacuum sucks everything up, leaving only a perfectly clean carpet behind. Features we appreciate include the 2-in-1 tank that keeps the dirty water separate from the clean water, ensuring your carpet is left as clean as possible. Also, the wide 11 cleaning path means you don't have to make as many passes to cover your floor. It is a portable and lightweight unit, meaning you can push it around with a minimum of effort. It is also practical and convenient to store away when not in use. There are few negatives with this vacuum, especially for something at this price point on the market, but we might complain that the water tank is on the small side. However, this helps to keep the weight down, so it's an acceptable compromise. Also, the suction is slightly underpowered, not hugely so, but you might find you need to go over stubborn spots a couple of times to pick up all the dirt. To summarize, this is a very reasonably priced carpet cleaner on the market that is extremely effective at removing dirt and stains. If that sounds like the kind of thing you're looking for, this model should be high on your list of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.